Hey everyone, I'm Amy in Quito, Ecuador. Happy Fall Festival. I love Grace's Fall Festival. I love all the things that we learn. I love all the quilts that you submit, and I love all the great deals. I'm here today to demo how to make something pop in your quilting. Sometimes I like to write words on my quilting, on my custom quilting, and then make it pop. You can also do that with like that checkerboard look, same technique, same idea. And I got these new feet that I've been waiting. I don't know why I waited so long because they are a game changer. It is the 3-piece foot attachment by Grace. It has, and this one is my love, the micro quilting foot. It's a micro stippling foot. There's also the open toe foot that I have on, which you will see, and a ruler foot that has way more visibility than other ruler foots I've used, and I love it. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to, I'm gonna freehand a word. We're gonna pick a word. Let's say, okay, so it needs to be 3 letters because I'm going to demo 3 techniques to make something pop. And I am an English literature and poetry professor, so we are gonna need some alliteration. So we need a 3-letter word that goes with Fall Festival. What do you think? Fall Festival is fun, you're right. So part of my process before I start quilting is to draw. So let me show you my drawing that I did. Here's the drawing. So I'm going to demo how to do a micro stippling, micro pebbles, and micro lines. So, you know, of course, if I'm doing this, I would choose 1, but I'm gonna show you 3 so that you can practice and yeah, give it a try. I'm excited. Let's get started. I've got my Grace 21X Elite. Her name is Frida. I've got some finesse blue ice on there. Got my quilt clips. I'm ready. Let's go. All right, so first up, I have the open toe foot on and ready to go, and I'm going to freehand the word fun. Okay, so I have written the word fun with the open toe foot, and now I'm gonna switch the foot to the micro stippling foot to demo the first 2 techniques. I have the ruler plate on because the 3rd technique is gonna be the ruler foot, so I have it on. Changing the foot is really easy. They include this hopping foot height gauge, which is very helpful to get the height correct. But so yeah, I'm gonna change the foot. You will need the 3mm and pretty easy. Just undo the screw, and they actually give you an extra screw in case, you know, you drop it and it goes under the couch or you can't find it. So that's pretty helpful. So the first foot is already off by unscrewing it. I'm gonna set this one, the new foot on, and sorry, you're gonna lightly screw it in because you may need to adjust it depending on the hopping foot height guide. So we put it on there. I'm gonna go to the back of the machine and put the needle all the way in the down position. I have to go off camera for just a second. Hopefully you can see the Andes Mountains while you wait. So I'm putting it all the way down in the down position. I'm back. I'm checking the hopping foot height. So I'm gonna unscrew it a little bit, put it down. Now I'm ready Now I'm ready to tighten it because it is the perfect height. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten it. Then I'm going to lift the needle back up. So the hopping foot gauge, sorry you can't see. Oh my God. Yeah, it's right there. It's perfect. Hard to see, yeah. Okay, so then I am about to get started on the first technique. Okay, we're ready for the first technique. We've got the micro stippling foot on. We are going to do what I think is the easiest technique to make something pop, and it's micro stippling. So we're gonna micro stipple all the way around that F, getting as close or on the line as we can. I love micro quilting. It looks great. Definitely takes some time. Okay, so we finished the first technique, which is the micro stippling around that F. I'm sure you saw one little spot where I messed up. Yeah, it's practice. I did seam rip a little bit of that out because it got into the F, and I don't want to mess up my pop. So next, that was on precise mode for the micro stipple. The next one, the micro pebbles, I will put it in manual mode. It's just faster, it's smoother. I will put it on 40%. When you're doing micro quilting, especially pebbles, I want to get as close as I can to the needle. So I'm gonna actually move these handlebars in and down a little bit. It's real easy to do. They just, yeah, like that. So the second one, I'm gonna push in and a little bit down. Because look, I want to get as close as I can to that needle. It's going to make it a lot easier. So let's do those micro pebbles. Whew, those are some tiny pebbles, but I think they look great. We're gonna do the last technique and need the ruler plate. Gonna change to the ruler foot. I'm ready. They are gonna be straight lines. You can do these diagonal if you'd like, or up and down. Either way looks great. So I'm gonna put on the ruler foot now from the 3-piece foot attachment from Grace. I'm going to put it back in precise for ruler work. Then I'm also going to put the handlebars back to where they were, because that's the how I like them. You know, like you just gotta experiment with them to see where it's most comfortable for you. So I'm going to put those back, and then yeah, let's do these straight lines. So we made the word fun pop. This is the front. I'll show you the back. But yeah, this is it. I added a couple leaves for the fall festival. If you're thinking about doing some micro quilting, definitely give these three-piece foot attachment set a try. The micro stippling foot is a game changer for me because I do a lot of micro quilting, and the open toe foot is amazing. Like, you can see everything. Even the ruler foot has more visibility than other ruler foot. So enjoy Fall Festival. Don't forget to have some fun. Look, have fun while you're quilting too, you know, dance a little. If you want to follow me on social media, it is Keto Quilts, and have a great day.